Today I will be talking about the Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition 21 color eyeshadow and highlighter palette, and this is actually through the brand BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to give you guys an overview of what the packaging looks like. It is honestly so nice. Just starting off with the packaging, I really like it. I love the design of it. I love how she decided to put her name. And just in case anybody doesn't know this that is watching this video, she is a YouTuber and this is her line through BH Cosmetics. It gives an overview of what comes in it. So if you guys can see the eyeshadows at the top and then the highlights. So this actually comes in like this little slit packaging. So this is like the cover for the actual packaging. This is what the inside looks like, and just to show you guys how big it is. And this also just explains what's in it too as well. I'm not showing you this brand new. I have used this palette before. That's how I'm able to tell you guys my true feelings and thoughts towards it. I really do like this. It comes with, as you can see, like it has the marble design on it, which is honestly so nice. And at the bottom it has a quote and it says aspire to inspire, and that is honestly so nice to me. I love when people put their own personal touches and their words on things, because it really does. Like whenever I use that mirror, I'm always like, man, like this is such a good quote, and you really like take that to heed. And I love how people like take the time to even like do small stuff like that. So starting off with the different colors in the palette, I don't use these as much, as you guys can probably tell. And going around in this palette and seeing the ones I don't use, you barely can. I use that one a lot, and I tend to use the deep burgundy one. But a good thing I can say about this palette is it's very pigmented. I would suggest this if you are starting off with learning how to do makeup, or you need a palette that you feel like would be nice enough for you to play around with or do cut creases and things of that nature. I suggest this a lot. It's really nice. Even the highlighters you can use as eyeshadows. I love using these different highlighters as eyeshadows. It's honestly so nice. And as you can see, like going around, it has marble all throughout this part, and the different floral designs too. It's really cool. And she really took the time and thought to put out what she wanted to put in, what she wanted to do with when it came to like the packaging, the overall look of it. And even on the back, like she really took the time out to really think about like what she wanted to do. It's just one of those palettes where it's like if you're in a rush and you are on the go and you're like, okay, what is one thing that I can take that will fit every need? This is a good palette. And not in like, depending on your shade of skin or your complexion, you could use this, and this could be a bronzer, and then you have your highlighters and then your eyeshadows. Like this is just an all-around over like good palette. I would really suggest this as well too as a Christmas gift. I know I had a little cousin, her mom got this as a Christmas gift for her and she loved it. And like I said, she's just starting off doing her makeup, and I'm not the best person when it comes to makeup, and this palette really just helps me out a lot. Like it has a lot of neutrals in it. It has a lot of pigmented color if I'm trying to go for an extreme look one day. I've had this palette for about 6 months now, and there's not that much gone out of it. And I can tell you guys, every time I pick up anything to do my makeup, it's always this. So, and I've had this for a while now, and I don't go crazy when it comes to doing my makeup at all, but this palette is just something that it's like a must need of mine. And it's inexpensive too as well. Like I said,